We have your a plus b equal to 10 and ab equal to 15. And how do we solve this? First of all, we need to make the b here subject of formula. To make b subject of formula, we say b is equal to 10 minus a. Now, after we've made subject of formula, we'll fix this into ab equal to 15. Whenever you see your b, replace it with this. So it will be your a, open the bracket, which is your 10 minus a equal to 15. So that is what should you do? Open the bracket. A times 10 will give us 10a minus a times will give us a squared equal to 15. Now what should we do again? We recollect it. Minus a squared comes first, plus 10a, then the minus 15, because it's plus 15, when it comes out, it becomes minus 15 equal to 0. And if you watch now, this brings us to quadratic expression. And in quadratic expression, the a raised to the power of 2 is wrong to have a subtraction sign. It's having a subtraction, this a having a subtraction sign, so we need to change it to division sign. In order to change it to division sign, first of all, we multiply everything here by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1. We multiply a minus 1. So minus 1 times this give us a positive a squared. Minus 1 times this give us minus 10a. So minus times this give us plus 15. Then you have your equal to 0. Now this brings us to quadratic equation in which we use the formula method, which gives us our a equal to 1, our b equal to minus 10, and c is equal to 15. So in the quadratic equation, the formula method, we are going to solve for first the one inside, which will give us our b squared minus 4ac. After solving this, we'll now add the other one. But let's solve this first. So our b is minus 10. So which you have your minus 10 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 times your a is 1 times your c is 15. See now? So minus 10 squared will give us 100 minus you have your 15 times 4 times this will give us your 60. 15 times 1 times will give us 60. Then 100 minus 60, which will give us 40. Your 40, which is a x. Then after that, let's plug the sign. When you add the sign, it becomes x is equal to minus b plus or minus. You have your b squared minus 4ac. Then all over your 2a. See it now? And having done this, first of all, remember we'll solve for this first. Now let's plug in this. So it will be minus, it will be equal to minus the b, which is minus 10. You have your minus 10. We have your plus minus is equal to, remember we'll solve for this, and in there give us 40. Then all over your 2a is 1. And having done this, minus times minus is plus. So we have a 10 plus minus. You have your 40 over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Now what should we do? This 10, we need to split it to give us 10 plus minus. You have your root 2 times root 4. You have your root 4 times your root 10. Then you have your all over 2. And after that, what should we do? We open it again. We say your root 10 plus or minus root 4 is 2 times 10 will give us 2 root 10 divided by 2. Now what should you do? We're going to look for the common factor. The common factor here is 2. Say 2, open the bracket, 2 into 10 is 5, your plus minus. 2 into this is out. So you have your root 10, then divided by 2. So that your 2 cancel out 2. So what I have left is 5 plus minus root 10. That's what you have next. So that's it. So what should we do? Now if you look at this, that 5 root 10 we just solve now. which is 5 plus minus root 10. You have your 5 plus minus root 10. Now we're going to call that R. You have two factors here. You have your 5 plus root 10 and 5 minus root 10. So we're going to call it, first we have your A1. Let's call our A1 5 plus root 10. Then we call the second one A2. A2 is equal to 5 minus root 10. Seen it? Now what should we do the next? Now first of all, we'll solve for A1 and A2. Remember, there's a formula here. There was something we changed. If you watch this one, we changed it, which is this, B equal to 10 minus A, in which we solved. Now we're going to use it to look for the B. We'll find the value of A first. Now it's not to look for the value of B. But what we solved first was for the value of A. Now in order to search for the value of B, it will be the B, call it B1, is equal to 10 minus A, which was the question. Now you have your B1 equal to your 10. Anywhere you have your A, which is the A1, replace it with 5 plus root 10, which is all 5 plus root 10. That is 5 plus root 10. So you have your 10 minus, open the bracket, 5, plus times minus is minus, have your root 10. What should be the next thing? You work on it. 10 minus 5 is 5 minus root 10. This is your B1. Now let's look for the B2. Now the B2 now will be B2, the same thing as 10 minus A. Then you have your 10 minus, anyway you have your A, you call it A2, use your A2 for the B2. A2 against B2. So it becomes 5 minus root 10. Now you open your brackets, 10 minus 5, minus and minus is plus root 10. See now? So you have 10 minus 5 is 5 plus root 10. This is your B2. Now we'll solve for B1 and B2, and we'll have all the answers. We have A1, A2, have B1 and the B2. Now we need to check to know if our answers are correct. Let's check to know if our work are correct. Then in order to check to know if our work are correct, we put the question. Now our question is A plus B is equal to 10. And you have your AB is equal to 15. Now let's check if it is correct. Then let's check for the first one first. The first one, you have your A. We use A1. Let's use A1 and B1. Our A1 is 5 plus root 10. Then you have your plus, your B1 is 5 minus root 10. Let's know if it gives us 10 as the answer. Now if you watch, plus 10 will cancel out minus 10. So what remaining is 5 plus 5. Plus 10 now is cancelled out minus 10. What is remaining now is 5 plus 5. So you have 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is 10 equal to 10. So this is correct. Now let's prove the next one, which is AB equal to 15. To prove the next one, you have your, put it in the bracket, your A, we'll use A2. A2 is 5 minus root 10. Then you open another bracket, which is the B. The B2 is 5 plus root 10. Now let's check if it will give us 15 as the answer. 15 as the answer. Now, if you watch now, according to this, we watch that this is square root of, this is square of both sides. Difference of 2 square. This is difference of 2 square, which becomes x square minus y square, which will give us x plus y and x minus y. If you watch, that's how it is. Now, to do that, to employ these formulas now, these formulas I just said, it will be 5 square minus what? 10. Minus root 10 square. If you see it now, the negative sign is outside, then the root 10, then the square. The same thing as this. So what should you do? 5 root 2 will give us 25 minus this will cancel out this. What you have there is 10. Now 25 minus 10 gives us 15. So that means this is correct. Thank you. Do and follow for the next teaching on this for more simple method of solving this. Thank you.